Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I have my next update of my 10 in 2020 project pan. This is where I have 10 products for the month, or should I say the year 2020, where I have been doing it rolling style. So I have my 10 products here. I have a few that I'm very excited that are finally met their goals. And then I have other ones where I'm almost there, but not quite. So if you're interested in this update, stay tuned. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with the Dash Project Pan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the update. All right, so let's start out with the pencil items, shall we? So the first one is my Jordana Rock and Rose lip liner. So you guys can see from the tally, I've used quite a bit of this. Not a surprise considering I go through lip liners like crazy. I don't have much left. I'm wearing it today. I like this one. I really do like the color. It's a cooler tone brown, but I do like it. I love the formula. It's really nice. I want to finish this up, and I think by the next update, this should be done. Next up is my Lorac eyeliner. Now, this is something that I just use for tight linings. You guys can see here. Through the tally, you will see that I have a little bit of usage again, because I only use this for the tight line. You're not going to see much progress of it. This is how much I have left of it. This is probably going to last me all year into next year. I don't think that this will be done anytime soon, which is fine unless I decide to do a black smoky eye and rub this all over my eyelids, which I'm not planning on doing. But this is gonna stay here for the long haul. I've said it time and time again. It's okay, but I did get use out of it. I am wearing it today, as I've always been wearing it whenever I wear any eye products. For my eye primer is this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I rolled this in last month, or 2 months ago I should say. This is where our last update was, and now this is where we are at right now. I've used quite a bit of this. I really like this one. I'm wearing it today. Something that I wear every day. It's not a chore. I prefer this over the Too Faced. I have learned from panning that I do not like the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Not the glitter kind, the regular kind. I do like their glitter kind, but the regular kind I don't like. I prefer this one, and definitely the Milani one is the same as this, so that's why I like both of them. My goal is to finish this up. I say I have about 2 months worth of this left, which is fine because I do enjoy it and it is still in the running. Next up is my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. You guys can actually see that I have a little bit of a window right there. Can you guys see that? Of my usage. So I have this sitting up on my vanity, so I can see that I've used quite a bit of it. Now I weighed this. So this started to weigh at 32 grams. Right now we're at 30 grams. So I've used 2 grams worth of product. I wear it every day under my eyes. It's a really nice product. I don't use a lot under my eyes. I don't go and like slap it on. I only do 2 dots per eye, and I'm okay with that. It actually works really well during the summertime. Haven't had any complaints, no creasing at all. I really like this one. This is in the shade medium peach, which is fine for me in the summertime. So we're gonna continue to use this until I lose my tan, because I don't think I can use this that often when I don't have a tan. Now we're moving on to my corrector. So I have my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Corrector. This, let me see the weight of this one. Oh, it doesn't have the weight. So this was brand new when we first started out. I had not touched it. I have not done anything to it. And this is where we're at right now. I only have a little bit of a dip in here. This is a long haul type of product. Again, I am not expecting to hit pan anytime soon. I just want to get more usage out of it. My thing with this product is I don't really need to use it in the summer. When I have a tan, and I keep saying the tan, I know, but when I have a tan, my dark circles aren't as strong and as noticeable. So I have actually I haven't reached for this as often as I would if it was just my normal skin tone. So this is a slow progress right now, even more because I don't use this on a daily basis. I use this maybe only when I need to, when I haven't gotten much sleep, or I can see that my under eyes are a little bit deeper as far as their color goes. So I haven't been using this one as much, which is fine. I don't expect to hit pan. I'm not trying to go through this like crazy. I just wanted to put it in here because I know that this is something that I use often. Now we have my Becca Skin Perfector in Opal. This was practically brand new when I put this in, and now when you guys see it, I have a nice dip in here. You guys see that dip? Baby dip, come on now, baby dip. Look at that. This is such a beautiful highlighter. I love this highlighter. I knew I loved it, but I love it even more with a tan. It just looks so beautiful. I love wearing this highlighter like this. I love this more than Moonstone, believe it or not. but I can only get away with it looking this amazing when I have a tan. So I am taking full advantage of this highlighter. I can kind of see the ring right there, but I don't know. I don't know. My goal is to hit pan. Maybe the next update I'll hit pan. It's a beautiful highlighter. I love this one so much more than Moonstone. If only I was this tan all year round. Now we have the juicy products left, shall we? So I have my Hourglass Ambient Dim Light Powder. This weighed 65 grams. Currently it weighs 64 grams, as you guys know. It's always a gram a month, but you guys, I have actually hit pan on this. This is a funny story I will tell you guys. When I originally hit pan on this one, I put my brush in here. I saw something from the corner of my eye as I was brushing, putting it on my face, and I really thought it was hard pan. I'm like, as I'm putting it on my face, I'm like, oh, now I'm gonna have to scrape it off because I got hard pan. When I went to dip back into the actual powder, I realized it was pan. So I'm very excited. My goal is to use this whole thing up. I have hit pan, but I clearly have a longer way to go because the edges are a lot deeper than the inside of it. So I still have a long way to go, but I think I now can finish this by the end of the year. So we have hit pan, and now I'm going to take progress pictures so you guys can see that and the weight at the same time. Now we have my Makeup Forever face powder. We had this at 46 grams. So this was at 46 grams. And now you guys, look at this. It's all gone basically. I have that little bit left, but it's gone. It's basically gone. I took the sifter out to get everything out of it. I really did enjoy it. Today was the last day I used this powder. I enjoyed every bit of this. I love the color. I love the way that it sat on my face. It's a really pretty powder, but I believe it's expensive for what it is, and I could find a cheaper alternative. So I'm happy I have another powder finish for the year. This is very exciting. I didn't think it was going to be that fast, but here we are. The next product that I have is my Jane Iredale, I can never say that. Iredale Hydration Spray. So this last month was 39 grams, and now you guys, it's empty. It's empty. You can't even hear it. I completely used this thing up. It's interesting. I love the hydration aspect of it, but the sprayer was absolutely terrible. It was literally punching you in the face every time you sprayed your face with it. But I love the hydration. I loved how it melted my powders together. It was good for that. If only this was in a different packaging, I would enjoy it more. But I think that for that reason, I wouldn't buy this again. I am using another one that I'm rolling in that I realized how bad the actual sprayer of this sucker was. It was just bad. It really beat the crap out of your face. But the actual formula was really nice. So I'm happy I finished this up because this expired September of 2020, so I got this done just in time before it expired. Last product is my It Cosmetics CC Cream. So we weighed this last month at 30 grams, and you guys, were done. We are officially finished this. I can't pump any more out of this. I have tried. I don't want to cut this open, you guys. If a product is too messy for me to mess with, I just don't want to cut it open. It's not worth it to me personally. It's just, if this was a different type of packaging, then probably I would scrape it out, use it all up. But for this, for me to cut it up, I just have too many small hands that touch things on my desk. And could you imagine accidentally one of them grabbing this and getting foundation all over my carpet, all over the walls? It's not worth it for me. So this is being rolled out as well. So this is my third product in this project pan that I am rolling out. I'm super excited. I love this. This is my third tube of this. So you know I'm going to repurchase it. It's just now that they have new shades, I'm probably considering purchasing my summer shade only instead of my winter shade because I find this more beneficial for me in the summer than I do in the winter time. All right, you guys, so we have finished 3 products. We have this sprayer, we have this powder, and we have the foundation. All these 3 products, except for this one, but these 2 have been here since day 1, so I'm very excited. That took a long time to finish, and then this one didn't take too long, which I expected. So let me grab the 3 products that I'll be rolling in, and then we'll be right back. All right, so to replace the powder, I'm gonna put this in. This is a Ciate Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Oh Lord, I just realized this is coconut. Does it smell bad? I am not a coconut fan. Fun fact about me, I don't like anything coconut, not even the scent. Let's hope it's not overbearing. Oh Lord. We're gonna try it out. This is brand new. I haven't even opened it up. It doesn't smell through the packaging, which is a good sign because if it was very strong, it would smell through the packaging. My goal is to finish this up. I'm a little nervous about this product for 2 reasons. 1, the coconut scent, and 2, it is white. And look how tan I am right now. So we're gonna see how this goes. Let's hope that it works out for me, but my goal is to completely use this up. I will weigh it, so then going forward we will know how much I use of it. Again, because it is brand new, I haven't used it yet, I don't know. So let's hope that I can wing it. Next product is, I'm gonna put this in. This is the Skindinavia Post Makeup Recovery Spray. It clears pores and helps prevent breakouts and yada yada yada. I actually use this, to be honest with you guys, to mesh all my powders together. It is such a fine mist. I really enjoy it. This is one of my older makeup products, so that's why I want to use this up. This was sent to me by them. So I want to use this up. I will weigh this for you guys since obviously it is a black, thick packaging and I can't see through it. So that's my second product I'm going to roll in. And the last product I'm going to roll in is this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. This is something that I got for free. I did not pay for it, and I have been using it and playing around with it. I am wearing it today. It's not my exact color, but it's working now that I'm even darker than I was about a week ago. So I can see that I'm about right here. You guys can see that. I've been using this for a good 2 weeks now. I don't like this packaging. I can tell you that right now. I don't like this packaging. I actually rub it on the back of my hand, then put it on my face because I don't like it. I keep having to dip in there to get some powder or product on my face, and I don't like that. I like squeezy tubes. I like pumps. I don't like this. And this is not my color either. This is very, very pink orange. So that's why I want to get more use out of it now. I cannot get away with using this in the fall or the winter time. There's no way. So I'm going to weigh this, and we're going to keep it in as long as I have a tan. Keep it in as long as I have a tan and as long as I can get away with using it, because it's definitely not my color. But I do like the formula. I will say I do like the formula. So I think for next month, the only 2 things that are probably going to end up being rolled out are these 2 things. I don't think anything else I'm going to end up rolling out for the next update, which is fine. This is a year-long project pan, and that's okay. So long as I'm getting use out of my products, I'm very happy with that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put my videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.